All right, Paul, here's the two crimpers I built. Two different designs. One has two angles, and this has just a different tread on it. They both have foot straps and rope, something new, and I'm gonna try this one to see how it works. Pull the strap and you got it on your foot like that. This right here is some Egyptian wheat I planted early in the summer. And there it is, laid over. Let's go over here and look at if it's bent any. Right there, see it's bent right there, and it seems to be working pretty good. So here it is, and here's the crimper.